If you want to set a custom message tone on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then we have two things that we can do. The first thing that we can do is we can open the settings, then we can choose sound and vibration, and then in here you can find the default notification sound. And then here we can change to the default notification sound, which also includes the message tone. You can tap on add notification in order to choose the custom sound that you wish to set. Of course, you need to have the sound saved on the phone's storage, and you should be able to find the audio file in here. And after selecting it, of course, you will have a preview, and if that's the sound that you want to set, then of course you can tap on this check in the upper right corner. Then that sound is going to be added to this list, and of course you can make sure that it is selected in here and press OK. However, this option changes generally the notification sound, so pretty much for all notifications, this sound is now set up. And if you want to set a custom message tone specifically for new incoming messages and only for that, then in that case we can go to apps instead of sound and vibration. Now here in apps we're gonna go to see all apps, and then from this list we need to choose the messages app in here. Now we're gonna go to notifications, and then we need to find incoming messages, which you might be able to see in here, and if not, tap on show unused categories in order to try to find it here below. So we're gonna go to incoming messages, and then we can go to sound, and then here you can add your custom sound pretty much the same way, unless you already added it to this list. Then of course you should also be able to find it in here. And then of course we can press OK. So by doing this, you change the sound or the tone just for this specific notification for incoming messages. So when you receive a new message, then this specific sound is going to be played. Leave a like and subscribe.